Hello and welcome back. Let us try to understand two more error metrics for regression algorithms. Mean squared error and root mean squared error. This formula on the numerator we have already seen it, which is nothing but residual sum of squares. If you take mean of that residual sum of squares, that is called as mean squared error. So why are we taking the mean of residual sum of squares is, it is like variance in the error. It is like variance in the error. So what is the variance formula? X minus mu sigma I is equal to 1 to m x minus mu whole square divided by m, right? That's the variance formula. So here also we are trying to understand how much variance is there in the error. There are actual values, there are predicted values, and there is error, right? There must be, there is error and error square. There must be some variance in the error also, right? So we need to understand the variance. So it is like, there are some records which are getting 0 error. There are some records which are getting 1 million error. If the variance is too much, you can say the model is not working good. Even though R square score is coming good, or maybe other metric is coming good, the variance is too much, then you can say the model is not working good, right? And the next metric is the root mean squared error. When you apply square root, the variance becomes standard deviation or like standard deviation. You can actually say that the error, when you take one prediction, right, the prediction is kind of this far from actual value, right? On an average, the prediction is kind of this far from the actual value. Suppose that 85,000 is salary and the prediction is 83,000. The variance is maybe 3,000. You can say that the actual value may be 86,000 or 77,000. Okay. So if you calculate variance, that is actually in the units of error, right? So you can actually predict a value and then subtract it and add and see the range, and you can say the actual value is going to be in this range. So the root mean squared error is like standard deviation for the error. Is like standard deviation for the error. It is not standard deviation. It is like standard deviation for the error. Okay. So that's it about the error metrics for the regression. Thank you.